This is a quick video of the Snap-on mt470 digital volt ohm meter. Sorry about the shadow. It says off, volts DC and ohms on that one, and this one it says 200 ohms, 2,000 ohms, 20,000 ohms, 200,000 ohms, and then 200 millivolts, 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts, da 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 da. Yeah, let's see if we can do this real quick. Alright, it says 12.5 volts. And we got connected to this battery here. Don't know if it's any good or not, but oh, that's the Snap-on mt470 meter in this handy dandy little case. And the test leads fall in here, and the case folds over and it's got instructions.